Imagine spending 15 to 20 minutes on your glam using the most sought after products and trendy techniques that's all over the internet only for the final finish to look off. Something feels different, the shades look mismatched, and you kind of feel like wiping everything off and starting over. If this sounds relatable, let me tell you, the problem here is that your blush and lipstick shades are not complementing your undertone. Categorizing brown skin as fair, medium, deep is kind of outdated. It's just not enough. The real game changer is your undertone. But before that, what even is this undertone? Undertone is that tinge of color that's underneath the surface of your skin. For example, if you take a look at my skin tone, you can notice a subtle hint of green in it. That means I have olive undertone. Like that, we have 3 more undertones. Warm undertone, where you can notice a subtle hint of golden yellow hue. With a cool undertone, you can notice a hint of red or pink on the skin. A neutral undertone is where your skin looks balanced without any dominant green, pink or yellow tone. Now once you start matching your blush and lipstick shades that complement your undertone, everything just falls into place. Your makeup starts looking cohesive and the shades naturally flatter your skin, whether you're wearing a full face of glam or everyday minimal makeup. And in this video, we will mainly focus on the art of pairing the right blush and lipstick shades for every undertone. Olive undertone is slightly different from the rest. It's generally muted and the most flattering shades are earthy browns and dusty rose. On days when you're running late, reach out to a lip and cheek tint like the Maybelline Super Stay Teddy Tint. The blurry texture gives a soft focus finish to the makeup. For my olive undertone girlies, I recommend the shade Mascara Tear. It has the right depth with an earthy muted undertone. Dab a little on the cheeks and the lips for a monochromatic finish. For extra definition, you can try adding a lip liner to define the lips even more. This is SSBeauty Matte Action Lip Liner in Fame. Once again, the shade belongs to that earthy brown color family. Another color family that looks super cohesive on olive undertone is Dusty Rose. For this, I'm taking SSBeauty Matte Blush in Soft Nude. I love the blurry finish and the formula is long lasting. For this, I'm pairing L'Oreal Colorish Satin Lipstick in Worth It Intense. This is an earthy brown shade with a hint of mauve, perfect for olive undertones. The most flattering shades for cool undertones will have a blue or purple base to the colors. So think of shades like plum, cool toned brown and cool toned red. For blush, I'm taking NARS New Realm Ethereal Aura Blush Palette. Notice how you get 2 cool toned pink blushes in one palette. I'm going to show you a technique to make the most out of pale pink blushes like this. We're going to create an ombre blush effect. Start by applying the deeper plum shade to the outer cheek area. Then take a lighter pale pink and apply it to the inner cheek, blending it slightly toward the under eye area. While the pale pink doesn't add any depth, its white base helps to brighten the inner cheeks, creating a soft baby doll glam effect. Now for the lips, I'm pairing Mars Matte Mousse lipstick in Superstar. The formula feels like a velvety lip tint with the coverage of a lipstick. Superstar is a muted plum that perfectly complements the deep ombre blush. If you're tired of red shades pulling too bright or vibrant on your brown skin, cool toned red is a safe color to play with. For blush, I'm taking the SSBeauty Velvet Cream Multi-Use Blush in Awaken. This has a balmy texture that settles to a matte powdery finish. I'm pairing this with an even deeper shade of cherry red and it's from L'Oreal Infallible Lac Resistance Liquid Lipstick in 550 Noir Cherry. If you want to make a statement with your makeup, try pairing cool toned red blush with cool toned red lipstick. The most flattering shades for warm undertones will have that orange or warm base to the colors. For an everyday minimal makeup, opt for warm brown shades. Geology Sun-Kissed Glow in F203 is a warm terracotta brown. This has a fun cream to powder texture that sets to a subtle matte finish. To elevate warm terracotta blush, try pairing a warm brown lipstick. Mars Creamy Matte Lipstick in Bollywood Surprise has a rich texture and an incredible pigment payoff. For a fun and flirty look, try warm based pinks. These are your pink shades with warm peachy undertone. For blush, I'm picking Lakme Rouge Bloom Powder Blush in Pink Blossom. I like that it's subtly pigmented and on dusky skin, the pink doesn't overpower. If your blush has a softer pigment, balance it out with a matte or satin lipstick with a high pigment payoff. And I'm pairing this with the Mars Popstar Non-Drying Liquid Mousse Lipstick in Gilded. It's a non-drying liquid lipstick with an intense pigment payoff. Berry pink is by far the safest color for all brown skin, mainly because it's a balanced shade. It doesn't lean too purple or too warm, which is why it just works on brown skin. For a soft mauvey berry makeup that screams that main character energy, I'm using the Maybelline Sun Kisser Hazy Matte Blush in Berry Brunch. It's a muted berry shade that complements brown skin beautifully. I'm pairing this with the Lakme Glitterati Lip Glaze in Berry Burst and lining the lips with the Mars Edge of Desire lip liner in 03 Blood Bath to complete the look. This is such a universally flattering blush and lip combo, so do try this out. I can't think of a perfect shade other than neutral brown for that office siren makeup. Neutral browns don't shout, they quietly make you look polished. For blush, I'm taking this neutral brown shade from NARS Hot Escape Cheek Palette. This is actually a bronzer shade, but as a blush, it's gonna give you that toasty cinnamon finish. To pair this, I'm taking the NARS Afterglow Lip Liner and Lip Gloss Duo. The lip liner has so much pigment that all it takes is one swipe to cover the lip line, and the lip gloss is such a pretty neutral brown shade. The video has come to an end and I swatched a variety of shades and formulas. If you're interested in any of these products, you can shop directly from SSBeauty.in. Let me know in the comments which lip blush combo you're trying first. I highly recommend the berry or the plum one. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with a friend and subscribe to SS Beauty channel and turn on the notifications for more such informative beauty videos. I'll see you in the next one.